That is hysterical. Here, Katie. Whoa.
It's cold.
Oh, yeah. Blow breath. The other way, that way. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Hi, JJ. You're off in the snow. I can't see you through the blizzard. It's so cold.
I would love to see that. Do it.
Oh.
I guess what is that?
Don't jump in the pool.
Really? Do.
No. Oh, my gosh. Look at him.
What would it be?
Yeah, it would be very cold.
I really want to do it.
No.
Well, Sam, did you know that if you jumped in the pool, you would actually freeze?
Well,
Like you would freeze into an ice cube.
not into an ice
You
cube.
took a giant drink.
Do you like the hair?
Like a bendy
The hair is the perfect thing. Do I have it on my hair? There you go. Is it on dog hair? Hi, dog. You into snow? I'm going back in. It's inside. This is craziness. Oh, okay. I think we're done.